Hey you guys, if you guys want to learn how to get this goddess braid, keep watching. What's good YouTube? This is Killer Cam back with another video. Today I decided to do a hair tutorial because I seen somebody do it and I'm like, oh, this is easy. I can do this, you know what I'm saying? So boom, I want to do a goddess braid um with braiding here. Okay, so this is my crazy hair, and like right now, I'm reevaluating my life right now because, like, really, do I really want to do this? So, middle part or side part, I picked the middle part because it's the easiest, and your edges, that you can do more designs with them. But yeah, yo, look at my face; it looks so crazy. Yup, is it straight? I don't know. I'm such a perfectionist. Like it has to be straight or we not getting out the house. But yeah, so this is just me gelling down my hair. I don't really need that much gel right now since it still has a little silk press to it. Um, I love the shrinkage that it gets. You know, I'm gonna post my photo of when I first got my hair done, and now this is it. Look, now just dusty. What a shame, but it still moved though. It still got bloody though. At least my hair grew. My hair grew a lot. And I'm still trying to figure out what my hair likes and doesn't like, but I think what made it grow is just water. Just water. But let me let you guys do this, watch this, and I'll come back later. Okay, so right here I am just braiding my ponytail because when you take the braid, it should have an opening. And then I'm gonna put my braid through that opening and boom, it's so easy because you can take the braid on and off if you wish. I so boom. I'm gonna insert the video of me braiding my hair. Um, just tip number one, please, and I say please, please, do not do it on the doorknob. Have a friend because, and I did it on the doorknob, right? And I'm thinking it's popping, it's fire, you know. I just did this braid and it turned out fire. But then when I was ready to take it off, it got stuck on the doorknob. Like, don't be like me and get it stuck on the doorknob, alright? I bet. Okay, so I got my hot water so I can put them in there. I had used pencils because I don't got no the other thing to make it curly, so I used pencils that improvised, and soon you will see the finished product. I think it turned out pretty good. So if you don't have curling rods or anything like that, use some pencils. Okay, so I'm finally attaching the braid. Just remember to cover your own hair pretty well. Um, on the bright side, it wasn't too bad to where I couldn't cover it. Um, I mean, you could see a little imperfection, but ain't nobody gonna stare at the back of your head like that. Um, so yeah, just cover it as much as you can. Um, I used bobby pins at first when I had got my other piece of hair to wrap it around to secure that it's on. Um, I would take the bobby pins out as I go. So just keep that in mind. All right, you guys, this is how the braid looks after I took out the pencils. But like, comment, and subscribe for another hair tutorial. Peace out.